Looking for the perfect leather jacket, suits, or pants? Online shopping can be quite a hurdle if you are unsure of the size you want to order. So stop wasting money on ill-fitting leather goods. Watch now to master sizing and look your absolute best. Without further ado, let's start. Tip number 1. Take body measurements, which means that simply take all measurements directly from your body accurately, instead of getting into the hassle of using any garment or jacket. Tip number 2. Take all measurements in inches, so that it is easier for you to follow our size chart without falling into the pit of conversions, because all our size charts on our website are in inches. Please note that all these measurement hacks are specifically applicable on our website. 1. Take your chest measurement by taking reference through the picture. 2. Measure your sleeves from shoulder to the mid of your hand, as jacket sleeves are preferably a bit longer than casual wear, as shown in the video. 3. After that, measure your waist accurately. Tip 3. This tip is the key to getting the correct size. So after taking accurate chest measurement, add 6 inches to it. This will be your leather jacket's or suit's precise size. Thus, adding 6 inches is the key. For example, if your body chest measurements is 40 inch, then our size L fit for you. If your body chest measurements is 42 inch, then our size XL fit for you. If your body chest measurements is 44 inch, then our size 2XL fit for you. There is a 6-inch difference between men body chest and jacket chest. Having covered upper body measurements now, we come to the lower body measurements for leather pants. For the pants, you need to measure the length of the inside of the leg, full length from the waist to the ankles, and lastly, the thigh measurement. Send us all these measurements without any errors, and you will get a jacket or suit that fits you well. There is another way, easy way out. Just take all these body measurements shown in the picture, present also in the size guide button of our website, and send it to us. We will be responsible for correctly tailoring your leather wear. Thank you for watching our video. Hopefully it helps you. Please like, follow, and subscribe. Do visit our website. Thank you.